Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is anythingllm. I tried the Docker version. There was a lot of setup and fussiness around it, so I went back to the desktop version, and you'll see that there's an update available. So let's take a look at that. Download anything for LLM for Linux. All right, here is the command. Copy that code, and for sanity's sake, let's kill the application, and we'll go back to the terminal, clear, Control-Shift-V. There it is. So started the download at 1750. I'm going to pause and come back. And we're back. That was nearly 9 minutes to get it going. And oh, that's very surprising. Huh. Okay, that is very surprising. So let's go ahead and start it. Right, okay, I've had this error before with the previous version. Oh, and I posted that particular solution to the Discord channel. And now we have to find that. Yeah, see, this is, that's the same thing I got. So I need to do this, Control-C, Control-Shift-V. Right. Right. Okay. Let's try this part. Well, you know what? Let's do history. And history grep. What am I looking for? I'm looking for Chrome Sandbox. Let's go for just Sandbox. Sandbox. There it is. All right. So 874. Cool. And then 875. Cool. And now let's try again. And now we have it loaded. Oh, that was unexpected. Okay, now it's back. So we now have 1.6.6, and there it is. So that's a quick demo on how to install 1.6.6 on Ubuntu 24.04. Thank you. I hope this is useful. If it is, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and happy computing.